Julie and I are going on a date and I wanted to bring you guys with us. Today we are starting at a place called the Space Factory. This is a craft beer place that also has board games. So let's go inside and make some orders and have some fun.
I'll chuck the name of this place in the caption and also the location, but it was really cool. Everything's made in-house. They had board games. It was just really awesome. So I highly recommend it.
4 different beers that we thought would be nice. One of them is actually a cider. And we're going to play a game called Harmonies, which we've played before. It's really fun. And yeah.
This is called the beer flight or the planche de degustation. You can order any 4 beers you want.
So is this the coffee one? Okay. Not my favorite. You try it. You like it?
I really like it.
Well, that's not my favorite at all. Yeah, I'll try this one.
So sweet and yummy. I'm guessing that's the Christmas spiced one?
I really like this. This is like a Christmas special. Sorry, I need to like get a little stand.
Oh, I don't like this.
You don't like this one?
I mean, I'll drink it, but I don't think the spice is doing it for me.
Maybe we can film each other.
I'm guessing this
might
one
be the
is
cider.
the lemon one.
Lemon? Well, we'll know soon. It's the lemon one and it's amazing. So good.
Do you want to try the cider that I flipped the phone?
And this one's a cider I had before. It tastes like champagne cider. Yeah.
Can't wait to try it. So now I'm trying the lemony beer. Oh, that is fantastic.
It's really good, yeah?
That is so acidic, sour, lemony. I'm trying the cider. I'm a sucker for cider.
Tastes like champagne, right?
Oh wow. That is a Brittany cider.
Oh, really?
It's just like the one from Brittany, but like high quality.
Actually, it kind of does taste like the one we had in Christmas. So good.
In Lydia and Yuli fashion, of course, we played a board game for our date. And we ordered this really nice cheese board. Came with baguette, 3 cheeses, saucisson, and pate.
Now we're going to go and get some dessert, maybe. Not sure. Yuli wants something to eat still. Like, the cheese platter wasn't enough for him. So maybe we'll go somewhere with both. But definitely I want a sweet treat. Like, your girl needs a sweet treat after a few drinks, you know?
She does.
I ate most of that cider, that tasting board, because Yuli had his own drink for himself, so I just drank most of it. And I'm so ready for some dessert, so yeah, let's go together and I'll show you guys how beautiful Bordeaux is.
That was a lie. I forgot to film Bordeaux because I was having fun with my husband. Sorry about it. I did go to a new place and it's a giant outdoor mall. So that was cool.
Not arguing. We have found a place called Pizza Capri.
Not arguing, we're just passionate.
Not arguing, we're just what?
Passionate.
Passionate discussion about where we should eat dessert. We have decided to go with Pizza Capri and it sounds crappy, but Capri.
Not crappy.
Pizza Capri and Capri. And we're going to get another slice of pizza for Yuli. They're quite large, and also a Nutella pizza for myself for a sweet treat. I'll show you guys what they look like. It says Pizza Capri. Capri. My God. Okay. Anyways, we have all the pizzas here. That's like one slice is like basically a quarter of a pizza. So we got this flavor. It's rare cream. What is this like? Mushroom and...
It's like a white-based pizza with mushroom and ham and cheese.
Oh, so it's kind of like a... Okay, interesting. We have more here as well. And then she's making the dessert pizza right now. Yummy. Oh yeah, it looks good. It's still recording. And pour moi, we're going to have some both.
Oh yeah.
Good. Yummy. Final destination is the waffle factory. And here we're getting a chocolat chaud. Actually, there was cream on it. It's disappointing, but it's the spot. Yum.
In France, we call this le machine à café. Le coffee machine. You're too tipsy to do it properly.
When you're child free, the date never ends. So I included this, and this is a little entry meeting that we went to learn more about the church we've been going to and decide if we want to continue. One of the ladies gave me this app so I could actually understand what was going on. That was so nice. I don't know what it's called, but I need this app. My mother-in-law just left, and I'm off to bed now. I'm going to have a little shower, go to bed. So good night.